Muzata.
Today we are going to show you how to install Muzata CA07 Invisible Terminal for cable railing projects. Muzata CA07 is invisible because it could be installed inside metal post with a small hole, so that it could not be seen from outside. We need a hydraulic crimper to swage cable on terminal, some stainless wire rope and a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.